Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Union Minister Rajkumar Ranjan Singh's house attacked last night. Amit Shah visits Guwahati but skips Manipur, which is burning, says Jairam Ramesh. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 am. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. The House of Minister of State for External Affairs and Education, Rajkumar Ranjan Singh in Manipur's Imphal, was attacked on Thursday night. The attackers reportedly tried entering the house. They seem to have come prepared for burning the house. They're angry over the death of a Meitei man in Bishnupur, an eyewitness said. Meanwhile, Singh called the attack politically motivated. A peace rally jointly organized by Meitei Pangal, Kabui and Meitei in Bishnupur district was taken out in Bishnupur district today. The rally was held peacefully. However, security forces stopped at Government High School. The rally was attended by a large number of people from different communities. Banners, placards with different slogans were displayed during the rally. Speaking to media persons, many protesters said they want peace and harmony in the state. Reacting to Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Assam visit, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said that Shah went to Guwahati but did not deem it necessary to visit Manipur, which has been burning for 22 days. He added this is the same minister who held 16 rallies and 15 road shows in Karnataka but cannot find time for the people of Manipur. As the law order situation has improved gradually in Imphal East and West, curfew has been relaxed till 12 noon today in the districts. Last night, order had been issued by the magistrates of both the districts. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 11 am. Markets and shops were opened during the curfew relaxation in 3 districts. Markets and shops were open. People rushed to the market and shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera criticized the BJP government for distributing fortified rice despite caution by the experts, saying that 80 crore Indians are given poison. He added, according to the researchers of Niti Aayog, fortified rice is harmful for patients with hypertension and diabetes. Rice is being distributed without any guidelines. Health of people has been compromised. Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council, Dmitry Medvedev, has said Ukraine war will last a very long time, most likely decades. Reiterating Russia's claim that Ukraine is a Nazi state, he added, as long as there is a power in place, there will be, say, 3 years of truce, 2 years of conflict, and everything will be repeated. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal sought a meeting with Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He tweeted that he is seeking Congress's support against the centre's ordinance on the Delhi services matter. Notably, Congress's Pawan Khera has said Kejriwal is the only Delhi CM who wants full powers to function and is blaming external factors for his failure. A 32-year-old woman who was kidnapped 17 years ago was found living in a rented accommodation in Gokulpuri in Delhi, police said. The woman said that she had been residing with a person named Deepak in Uttar Pradesh's Balia but left him in lockdown after some dispute and moved to Delhi. The armed forces of the Russian Federation has killed nearly 700 Ukrainian soldiers along the front line, the country's defense minister said on Thursday. 8 HIMARS and MLRS shells and 28 Ukrainian drones were also destroyed during the attack, the ministry said. Meanwhile, Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council, Dmitry Medvedev, has said that the Russia-Ukraine war could last for decades. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Union Minister Rajkumar Ranjan Singh's house attacked last night. Amit Shah visits Guwahati but skips Manipur, which is burning, says Jairam Ramesh. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 am. That's all for now. Do tune in at 3 p.m. for more news updates in English. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and have a great day.